Well, welcome back, everybody. Let's go ahead and take a look at where the markets were here on Tuesday. First things first, we went right to that level that I talked to you about last week, and we are struggling there, only to close down right near the lows of the day, well above the area that's for longer term trend change dynamics and stuff like that. But nonetheless, hitting those areas that I told you last week were going to be a real struggle point for us and challenge. And sure enough, we literally went right up to that limit today and then pushed away and closed near the lows of the day, as you're well aware. So, with that being said, everything continues to go ahead and work exactly as it's supposed to. So, with that being said, right, we know then that the rule is from there, I'm looking at some of my key tools. I've been teaching you about those tools over the last 6 weeks, and obviously much longer than that, but the last 6 weeks we've been doing all those different classes. And so we bring that over to where we were here today. If you were following along with different tools like WSI, Wealth Finder, different things like that inside of wealth charts and that, you've been seeing AMC. For all of you that have the ITP tools, you've been seeing AMC going ahead and firing off here as well. And more importantly, AMC has also come up on Fund Hunter recently. A lot of social mentions and everything. It's a social darling. Fired off the different ITP buy signals there. Went ahead and then followed through from there. And of course, you look at where that's at, and then you look at where the market's gone. It's been quite a move. And then of course there was the resurgence where it fired off signals all over again, right back over here. And either way, it took off and doubled or more effectively. So with that being said, what everything we've talked about is kind of happening still. The GMEs, American Express, a lot of different companies here. We're going to go ahead and put all this into perspective for you again tomorrow night. So you recall that tomorrow night's going to be kind of that apex here. The 6 weeks all kind of coming together. How to find them, how to trade them, how to go ahead and look at it from a day trading or a swing trading perspective. I'm also going to be showing and slipping in some other techniques on live charts here that I don't normally go ahead and share with people. So tomorrow night's going to be kind of a little extra special class for you guys too. So everything continues. The things I've been telling you in advance are continuing to go ahead and work here and follow through. So let's go ahead and use this as our big opportunity to put all these different things that we've been teaching in the last several weeks, the whole life cycle of trade, day or swing trade identification, right through to its completion. Pull that all together here tomorrow night. So if you guys want to go to becomeabettertrader.com/go, becomeabettertrader.com/go, I will look forward to seeing you enthusiastically tomorrow night, because this has just been a wonderful, just absolutely incredible year. What we've talked about in advance, and then what's happening here. And bringing that home to you guys in ways we've never done before is pretty exciting. So join me at 7 o'clock Eastern, 6 o'clock Pacific, 4 o'clock p.m. Pacific time there for these very special classes. And like I said, I promise to go ahead and bring some additional live charts with you to show some on-screen training there in other ways. So I'm pretty excited about tomorrow night, as you guys can tell. So with that being said, enjoy the rest of the day. Can't wait to go ahead and see how tomorrow plays out here, and then we'll be sharing with you exactly how it played out in tomorrow night's special class. All right, take care, everyone. We'll see you at tomorrow night's event. Again, it's becomeabettertrader.com/go, and let's build upon all the things we've talked about in advance and then see them through, because that's what we want to teach you, how to spot these things in advance and then what to do with them through the whole life cycle. All right, good night, everybody. We'll see you tomorrow. Take care. Bye-bye.